today I'll be answering the question, what is search intent? So search intent is the reason why someone is actually searching for something online. It's the goal behind the search phrase and what the potential customer or person is looking for as they type something into a search engine. And for example, it can be a search for a specific brand, simple informational search, a desire to purchase something, an intent to compare, or even just a combination of all of these different things, depending on how long the search term is. So you might be wondering, why is search intent important? So for SEO purposes, you need to understand what people are looking for when you're targeting specific keywords. If you know what people are looking for, you can provide them with the right content and the right solutions. So right here at the bottom, marketers can serve the right content and solve the problem presented by a potential customer. So there are some different types of searches, and there's 4 different types of search intent: navigational, informational, commercial, and transactional. Some searches can kind of fall into 2 of these different categories, but to keep it really simple, navigational is someone looking for something specific. Chrome Web Store, for example. That person is looking for the link to the Chrome Web Store, and this is probably what they're going to click on. Somebody who searches for Google Ads or somebody who searches for Facebook is likely looking specifically for Facebook, looking specifically for Google Ads. They're just not going directly to that URL. So a lot of times with navigational, it's just somebody looking for a specific website or a specific page that they've been to before. Now, next is informational. This is research about a topic. Now, if I go to Google and I type in, what is dividend investing? Dividend investing, method of buying stocks and companies that make regular cash payouts, blah, blah, blah. So I'm looking to research a specific topic. If I go and I say, what is search intent? That's an informational search because I'm actively looking for what search intent is. What is keyword research? What is WordPress? Those are people looking for information about a specific topic. And if you think about basically everything Wikipedia ranks for, if somebody's searching for something about a specific war in history or a specific president or something specific like that, it's an informational search. Next is going to be commercial. This is research before a purchase, and sometimes it could be people comparing a couple different products. It could just be people saying, what are some of the different concerts near me? What are the best Italian restaurants near me? While people are looking to purchase something, they're basically starting the process of the research before they purchase something. If I start looking for what are the best paint colors for a bedroom, or what are the best SUVs for a family of 4, I'm basically starting to do research before I purchase something, but I'm not actively looking for something to purchase. I'm still looking for information. So this is still going to be a commercial search. Now, instead of concerts near me, if I type in a specific band and say that band's concert tickets, then Ticketmaster comes up, presents me that exact band's concert tickets and their tour, then that is going to be a transactional search. Transactional is somebody looking to purchase something. Farmhouse TV stand with fireplace. I am actively looking for a farmhouse TV stand for sale that has a fireplace insert. So you can see the different types of searches here. And just by using one keyword, farmhouse, what I've done is I've come over here to Google and I've searched farmhouse, and I've taken some of these trending keywords out that Keywords Everywhere gives me on the first page of Google, some of the different long tail keywords. And if we come back over here and we're looking at some of these different keywords, farmhouse bakery, this is a specific name of a bakery. So this would be me saying, probably looking up their hours, maybe looking up their menu. So farmhouse bakery, this is somebody looking for a bakery. Farmhouse table with bench, this is somebody looking to purchase. So this would be considered a transactional type of search. Somebody looking to purchase a farmhouse table with a bench. Modern farmhouse kitchen plans. This is somebody who is probably looking to research before a purchase. So if we come over here, somebody looking for modern farmhouse kitchen plans is probably either redoing their kitchen or they're building a new home. So they're looking for different types of kitchen plans that they can present to their contractor, their builder, whoever is doing their kitchen. So it's going to be a different type of actual search intent than somebody who's actively looking to purchase a farmhouse table with a bench. Farmhouse style kitchens. This may be someone just looking for basic inspiration for their own kitchen. It may be somebody who is looking for kitchen plans. But with farmhouse style kitchens, this is somebody who wants to see a bunch of different designs of farmhouse kitchens. Modern farmhouse kitchen plans, it's not going to be pictures as much. You're actually going to be looking up blueprints. You're going to be looking up how to best use a specific space in your home. Whereas farmhouse style kitchens might be someone saying, I want to change my backsplash. I want to see what other farmhouse style kitchens are using for their backsplash. Fall farmhouse recipes, obviously somebody who is actively looking for information about some different recipes that they can create that have a farmhouse type of theme that they can create, that they can cook in the fall. So these are some different types of keywords, a lot different search intent for different keywords that may be somewhat similar, related to food, related to kitchens, related to eating in the kitchen. So all of these different types of keyword searches have different intent. So if I own a website, I need to understand how each of these keywords may fit into my overall content strategy. I don't own a farmhouse bakery. I can't give people a farmhouse bakery, so it's not a keyword I would target. I don't have any recipes on my website, so I'm not going to target fall farmhouse recipes. For farmhouse table with bench, I need to present people with a bunch of different products for sale that are farmhouse tables that have a bench. Modern farmhouse kitchen plans, I need to give people blueprints or some different actual farmhouse plans using the space that somebody may have and say, here are some of the different kitchen plans that you can use for your own kitchen, where you can put your island here, you can put your appliances here, etc., etc. Farmhouse style kitchens, somebody's just looking for inspiration. Somebody's looking for different designs of different kitchens that have already been built, that are completed, that look really nice, and they can maybe steal a few things from. So this is keyword search intent, and search intent is the actual reason why somebody is searching for something online. They always have an end goal in mind when you're looking for something. So no matter what somebody is searching, they're generally looking for some type of page that's going to solve their problem. You need to create that page on your website when you're targeting keywords. So understanding search intent is one of the most important parts of keyword research. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching my video today, and make sure you subscribe to the Surfside PPC YouTube channel.